Welcome back to an amazing tutorial of mine. So in this tutorial, I'm going to teach you guys how to do the dripping effects. So without further ado, we should get in. So quickly, make a quick selection of the image. In this tutorial, I'm using the quick selection tool, or you can decide to use the pen tools or any cutting tools of your choice. This tutorial is not for cutting, so I'm going to speed this part. I have a link below if you want to know how to cut in Photoshop. So make a mask of the image by clicking that mask icon below. So when you are done, quickly go and make a solid color background. When you are done creating it, click OK and drag it below. Then you go and double click it and you select a light color that is going to suit our clothes. You can use your eyes and look for a light color that is going to fit our clothes, not even using the dripping eye tools. You can also use your eye and make sure you select a light color that will suit our clothes. When you are done, click OK. Then I had all the image in the description, even including this one. So drag it over and place it on top of her. So press Ctrl T to reduce and adjust the size. So you can adjust it to your taste. So I'm just adjusting it to the way I want. You can adjust it, increase it and expand it to the way that is going to fit your own image. You can decide to use my own image in the description, or you can decide to use yours. You can adjust it to your taste. So when you are done adjusting the image, click OK. Hold Ctrl and click on the image to make a quick selection of it. So make sure your background color is selected black, totally black. Then go back to the model layer that you see I select, hold Alt and press back space. When you press back space, automatically it's going to make a mask out of the image. So you are going to have something like this. When you are done, select it. When you have something like this, I'm going to make a new layer and drag it below the model layer. I'm going to select my brush. They are all in the description below. So I'm going to use the splitter brush. So I'm going to look for the one that is going to suit you and the one that you like. So I'm holding Alt to detect the color on the clothes. When you hold Alt, you click the clothes, you are going to have the eye tool showing. So I'm making the brush blue color. You can see what I'm doing on the screen, so just follow closely. The tutorial is very easy. This tutorial is very easy for anyone to learn. So just follow closely, you get everything very simple and correct. Just follow closely and select your brush and be clicking. Hope you are working on the new created layer that we just create now. So you have something like this. So to make it more good, group out all your image and go to color, look up. Just want to entice the image a little so it could look more unique. So when you have something like this, you can see it's little bit dramatic. No, this is not good. So I'm going back to the first one. Please make sure you subscribe, hit the subscribe button and hit the little bell icon beside it and select it to the first one, so you won't miss out in my next tutorial, because I'm working on a tutorial now. By tomorrow it will be released. That is this. So please consider subscribing, like the video and leave a comment below. I'm leaving our group link in the description, so you can come and post your design so everyone will see. Thank you for watching and do have a wonderful day. Thank you.